So handy, me boy, so handy. Why can't ye be so handy? Oh, handy, me boy, so handy. Oh, up aloft this yard must go.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Oh, up aloft from down below.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Growl ye may, but go ye must.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
And growl too much and your head they'll bust.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Oh, a bully ship and a bully crew.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Oh, we're the gang for the kicker through.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Your advance has gone, you'd see again.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Bound round the horn through the hail and rain.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Sing and haul and sing.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Oh, up aloft this yard we'll swing.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Hey, up aloft that yard must go.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
For we are outward bound, ye know.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
A handy ship and a handy crew.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
A handy mate and an old man too.
Handy, me boy, so handy.
Yeah. Hey boys, oh don't just hear the old man say
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
Oh don't just hear the old man say
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
we're homeward bound to Liverpool town.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
With all of them duties they will come down.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
And when we get to the Wallasey gates,
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
oh Sally and Polly for the flashmen do wait.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
And one to the other will hear them say,
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
oh here he comes Johnny with 40 months pay.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
Well, meet these thy gals and we'll ring the old bell.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
And with them duties we'll raise Mary L.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
We're homeward bound to the gals of the town.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
And step me your bullies and even all round.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
And when we get home, boys, oh, won't we fly round?
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
We'll leave up the anchor to this bully sound.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
We're homeward bound to the old backyard.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
Then heave me bullies, we're all bound homeward.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
Oh, heave with the wheel, boys, oh, heave long and strong.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
And sing a good chorus, for 'tis a good song.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
We're homeward bound, we'll have yous to know.
Goodbye, fare ye well, goodbye, fare ye well.
And over the water to England must go.
Hurrah, me boys, we're homeward bound.
Here we go. We are outward bound for Kingston town with a heave-ho-ho. And we'll heave the old wheel round and round. Good morning, ladies all. And when we get to Kingston town with a heave-ho-ho, is there we'll drink and sorrow drown. Good morning, ladies all. Them gals down south are free and gay with a heave-ho-ho. With them we'll spend our hard-earned pay. Good morning, ladies all. We'll swing around, we'll have good fun with a heave-ho-ho. and soon we'll be back on the homeward run. Good morning, ladies all. And when we get to Bristol town, with a hee-ho-ho, for the very last time we'll waltz around. Good morning, ladies all. With Paul and Meg and Sally too, with a hee-ho-ho, we'll drink and dance with a hullabaloo. Good morning, ladies all. So long goodbye to all you dears, with a hee-ho-ho. Don't cry for us, don't waste your tears. Good morning, ladies all.
The west old ship that ever did sail sailed on a Erich on a windy day, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. She was built in brown tides, out together with bits of twine, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Nothing in the galley, nothing in the hole. A skipper's turned in with a bag of gold, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Our fourth-foot nest, they sprang a leak here at poor old Timbers Creek, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day when we get our pay. We popped our way round Scalby Nest when the wind back round to west-northwest. We're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Into the umber and up to town, pump you blighters, pump us round. Waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Way high, Sally Brown.
It's down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
She's lovely on the foreyard, she's lovely down below, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
She's lovely 'cause she loves me, that's all I want to know, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Oh, Captain Baker, how do you store your cargo?
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Some I stow forward and some I stow after.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
40 fathoms or more below, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
There's 40 fathoms or more below, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Oh, way high, and up she rises.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Way high, and the blocks is different sizes.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Oh, one more pull, don't you hear the mate a-bawling?
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
One more pull, that's the end of our hauling.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Row, boys, row, boys, row.
Sally Brown, she's the gal for me, boys.
Way high, Miss Sally Brown.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee.
Blow high, blow low, and so sail we.
I see a wreck to windward and a lofty ship to lee.
Are sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
Oh, are you a pirate or a man o' war, cried we.
Blow high, blow low, and so sail we.
Oh no, I'm not a pirate, but a man o' war, cried he.
Are sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
We'll back up our topsail and heave our vessel to.
Blow high, blow low, and so sail we.
For we have got some letters to be carried home by you.
Sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
For broadside, they fought all on the main.
Blow high, blow low, and so sailed we.
until at last the frigate shot the pirates' mast away. Hey!
Sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
As cutlass and gun, oh, we fought for hours 3.
Go high, go low, and so sailed we.
The ship, it was their coffin, and the grave, it was the sea.
Sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
Hey! Oh, do me Johnny Boker, come rock and roll me over. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, the skipper is a rover. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, the mate he's never sober. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, the bosun is a tailor.
Do me Johnny Boker, do.
Oh, do me Johnny Boker, we'll all go on a jamboree. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, the packet is a rolling. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, we're pulling all together. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, we'll haul for better weather. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, and soon we'll be in London town. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Oh, do me Johnny Boker, come rock and roll me over. Do me Johnny Boker, do. Old Billy Riley was a dancing master. Old Billy Riley, 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 master of a droga. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, master of a droga bound for Antigua. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, master of a droga. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley has a nice young daughter. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Missy Riley, little Missy Riley. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, old Missy Riley, old Billy Riley had a pretty daughter, but we can't get at her. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley had a pretty daughter. Old Billy Riley screw her up and away we go, boys. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, screw her up and old Billy Riley, one more pull and then belay, boys. Old Billy Riley, old Billy Riley, one more pull and old Billy Riley, oh!
A poor old man came riding by, and we say so, and we know so. Oh, a poor old man came riding by, oh, poor old man. Says I, old man, your horse will die, and we say so, and we know so. And if he dies, we'll tan his hide, oh, poor old man. And if he don't, I'll ride him again, and we say so, and we know so. And I'll ride him until the Lord knows when, oh, poor old man. He's dead as a nail in the lamp room door, and we say so, and we know so. And he won't come worrying us no more, oh, poor old man. We'll use the hair of his tail to sew our sails, and we say so, and we know so. And the iron of his shoes to make deck nails, oh, poor old man. We'll drop him down with the long, long row, and we say so, and we know so. Or the sharks will have his body, and the devil take his soul, oh, poor old man.
I dreamed a dream the other night. Lowlands, lowlands away, John. My love, she came dressed all in white. Lowlands away. I dreamed my love came in my sleep. Lowlands, lowlands away, John. Her cheeks were wet, her eyes did weep. Lowlands away. She came to me at my bedside. Lowlands, lowlands, away, John, all dressed in white like some fair bride. Lowlands away, and bravely in her bosom fair. Lowlands, lowlands away, John, a red, red rose my love did wear. Lowlands away, she made no sound, no word she said. Lowlands, lowlands away, John, and then I knew my love was dead. Lowlands away, then I awoke to hear the cry. Lowlands, lowlands away, John. Oh, watch on deck, oh, watch ahoy. Lowlands away. Please tell me, what is this sailboat's name?
The sailboat Malarkey.
Tell me now, what is this good boat's name?
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Well now, me boys, we are bound out to sea.
The sailboat Malarkey.
Oh, Windward Caroline, come down to me.
The sailboat Malarkey.
She's lovely aloft and she's lovely below.
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
But she's best on her back, as you very well know.
That sailboat Malarkey.
Away in St. George's Town.
The sailboat Malarkey.
The rats come battering the houses down.
That sailboat Malarkey.
I'd give the world, boys, and all that I
The
know
sailboat Malarkey.
to turn and to roll with me, Lucy,
The
oh.
sailboat Malarkey.
Yeah, pick her up, boys, and lay her
The
down.
sailboat Malarkey.
And hang on tight as she bounces around.
The sailboat Malarkey. Oh, oh, why don't you blow?
Hi-yo,
Oh, why don't you blow?
hi-yo, come roll me over.
One man to strike the bell.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
One man to strike the bell.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Two men to man the wheel.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Two men to man the wheel.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Three men to gallant braces.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Three men to gallant braces.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Four men to furl the gansails.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Four men to furl the gansails.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Five men to bunt a bow.
Hi-yo, come roll me over.
Oh, poor old Stormy's dead and gone.
Stormy along, boys, storm along, John.
Oh, poor old Stormy's dead and gone. Come along, get along, Stormy along, John. I dug his grave with a silver spade.
Stormy along, boys, storm along, John.
I dug his grave with a silver spade. Come along, get along, Stormy along, John. I lured him down with a golden chain.
Stormy along, boys, storm along, John.
I lured him down with a golden chain. Come along, get along, Stormy along, John. I carried him away to Montego Bay.
Stormy along, boys, storm along,
I carried him away to Montego Bay. Come along, get along, Stormy along, John.
It is time to go now. Haul away your anchor. Haul away your anchor. Is our sailing time. Get some sail upon her. Haul away your halyards. Haul away your halyards. It's our sailing time. Get her on her course now. Haul away your foresheets. Haul away your foresheets. It's our sailing time. Waves are surging under. Haul away down channel. Haul away down channel. On the evening time, when your sailing's over, haul away for heaven. Haul away for heaven. God be by your side. It is time to go now. Haul away your anchor. Haul away your anchor. It's our sailing time.
As I rolled out one morning,
away you gone, Poland.
as I rolled out one morning, I met a lady fair.
Hey, hey, ring a ting a ting a ha ha. Good morning, ladies all. Away you gone, Poland. Hey, hey, ring a ting a ting a ha ha. Good morning, ladies all.
The first time that I saw her,
Away you gone, Poland.
the first time that I saw her, that saucy gal of mine.
Hey, hey, ring a ting a ting a ha ha. Good morning, ladies all. Away you gone, Poland. Hey, hey, ring a ting a ting a ha ha. Good morning, ladies all.
But when she found that I was skinned,
Away you gone, Poland.
but when she found that I was was skit, she left me standing there.
Hey, hey, ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Hey, good morning, ladies all. Away you roll a motor. Hey, hey, ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Good morning, ladies all.
I squared me yards and sailed away.
Away you roll a motor.
Oh, I squared me yards and sailed away, and to the ship I went.
Hey, 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 ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Good morning, ladies all. Away you roll a motor. Hey, hey, ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Good morning, ladies all.
She wigged and flipped a flipper.
Away you roll a motor.
She wigged and flipped a flipper. She thought I was a maid.
Hey, hey, ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Good morning, ladies all. Hey, away you roll a motor. Hey, hey, ring a jigga jigga ha ha. Good morning, ladies all.
I thought I heard the old man say, leave her, Johnny, leave her. Tomorrow ye will get your pay, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. Oh, the wind was foul and the sea ran high. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. She shipped it green and none went by, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. I hate to sail on this rotten tub. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. No grog allowed and rotten grub, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. We swear by our oath for want of more. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. But now we're through, so we'll go on shore, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her.
Running down to Cuba with a load of sugar.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Make her run, you lime to squeeze us.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Oh, I got a sister, she's 9 feet tall.
Way me boys to Cuba.
She sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hall.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
The captain, he will trim the sails.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Winging the water over the rails.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Give me a gal can dance fandango.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Round as a melon and sweet as a mango.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
Load the sugar and homeward go.
Way me boys to Cuba.
Mr. Mate, he told me so.
Running down to Cuba. Way me boys to Cuba. Running down to Cuba.
rises, way up she rises, way up she rises, early in the morning. What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning. Way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises, early in the morning. Put him in the scuppers with the hose pipe on him. Put him in the scuppers with the hose pipe on him. Put him in the scuppers with the hose pipe on him. Early in the morning. Way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises, early in the morning. Put him in the brig until he's sober. Put him in the brig until he's sober. Put him in the brig until he's sober. Early in the morning. Way up she rises. Way up she rises. Way up she rises. Early in the morning.
Ready, boys? The mate was drunk and he went below to take a swig at his bottle. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. The bottle, the sailor loves his bottle. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A bottle of rum, a bottle of gin, a bottle of Irish whiskey. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. Tobacco, the sailor loves his baccio. So early in the morning, sailor likes his bottle. A packet of shag, a packet of cut, a plug of hard tobacco. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A lassie's ho, the maidens ho, the sailor loves the Judies ho. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A lass from the pool, a gal from the tide, a traveller so fine and dandy ho. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A bully rough house, the sailor likes the rough house ho. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A tread of me coat and all that's in, a bully good rough and tumble ho. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A sing-song oh, the sailor likes a sing-song oh. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. A drinking song, a song of love, until he'll seize the shipmates oh. So early in the morning, the sailor likes his bottle. Oh, say, was you ever in Rio Grande? Away to Rio. It's there that the river brings down golden sand, and we're down for the Rio Grande. And away, boys, away, away to Rio. It's fairly well, my funny young girl, for we're bound for the Rio Grande. Farewell to you, all the girls of the town. Away to Rio. You've got our half pay for to keep you around, and we're bound for the Rio Grande. And away, boys, away, away to Rio. It's very well, my bonny young girl, for we're bound for the Rio Grande. Deep water ship and a deep water crew. Away to Rio. You can keep to the coast, but we're damned if we do. And we're bound for the Rio Grande. And away, boys, away, away to Rio. It's very well, my bonny young girl, for we're bound for the Rio Grande. We was sick of the beach when our money was gone. Away to Rio, and signed in this packet to drive her along, and we're bound for the Rio Grande. And away, boys, away, away to Rio. It's very well, my bonny young girl, for we're bound for the Rio Grande. Whiskey is the life of man,
Whiskey, Johnny, oh, whiskey is the life of man. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. I drink whiskey when I can. Whiskey, Johnny, I'll drink it out of an old tin can. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Whiskey gave me a broken nose. Whiskey, Johnny, whiskey made me pawn my clothes. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Whiskey drove me around Cape Horn. Whiskey, Johnny, it was many a month when I was gone. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. I thought I heard the old man say, whiskey, Johnny, I'll treat my crew in a decent way. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. A glass of grog for every man. Whiskey, Johnny, and a bottle for the shanty man. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh.
Oh, Nancy Dawson, hey ho! Yeah. She robbed the bosun, hey ho! Yeah. That was the caution, hey ho! Oh, Sally Racket, hey ho! Bonds my best jacket, hey ho! Sold the pawn ticket, hey ho! Oh, Kitty Carson, hey ho! Jilted the parson, hey ho! Married a mason, hey ho! Oh, Betsy Baker, hey ho! Din Long Acre, hey ho! Married a Quaker, hey ho! Oh, Jenny Walker, hey ho! Married a hawker, hey ho! That was a corker, hey ho! Oh, Polly Riddle, hey ho! How can you fiddle, hey ho! Right through the middle, hey ho! Oh, my name was Captain Kidd, as I sailed, oh, my name was Captain Kidd, as I sailed. My name was Captain Kidd, and God's laws I did forbid, and so wickedly I did, as I sailed, so wickedly I did, as I sailed. Oh, I murdered William Moore, as I sailed, oh, I murdered William Moore, as I sailed. I laid him in his gore not many leagues from the shore. Oh, I murdered William Moore as I sailed, I murdered William Moore as I sailed. I spied 3 ships from Spain as I sailed, oh, I spied 3 ships from Spain as I sailed. I spied 3 ships from Spain, I fired on them amain, and most of them I slain as I sailed, and most of them I slain as I sailed. Come all you young and old, see me die, come all you young and old, see me die. You are welcome to my goal, and by it I lost my soul. Come all you young and old, I must die, I must die. Come all you young and old, I must die. Farewell and adieu to you Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you ladies of Spain. For we've received orders for to sail for old England, and we may never see you fair ladies again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From ocean to Scilly is 35 leagues. We hove our ship to with the wind from southwest, boys. We hove our ship to, deep soundings to take. 'Twas 45 fathoms with a white sandy bottom. So we squared our main yard and up channel did steer. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the South Seas, and we'll strike soundings in the Channel of Old England. From Usher to Scilly is 35 leagues. Now let every man drink off his full bumper. Now let every man drink off his full glass. We'll drink and be jolly and drown melancholy. And here's to the health of each true-hearted lass. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the South Seas until we strike soundings in the Channel of Old England. From Usher to Scilly is 35 leagues.
Come all you young sailormen, listen to me. I'll sing you a song of the fish in the sea. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys, when the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she goes. Up jumps the ale with a slippery tail, climbs up aloft and reefs the topsail. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys, when the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she goes. And then up jumps the shark with his 9 rows of teeth, saying, you eat the dough, boys, and I'll eat the beef. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys, when the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she goes. Up jumps the whale, the largest of all. If you want any wind, well, I'll blow you a squall. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys, when the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she goes.
All right, lad.
Where am I to go, me Johnnies? Oh, where am I to go?
Hey,
hey, I roll and go.
Oh, where am I to go, me Johnnies? Oh, where am I to go?
For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go?
Oh, way up on that gallant yard, that's where you're bound to go.
Way, hey, hey, I roll and go.
Oh, way up on that gallant yard, that's where you're bound to go.
For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go?
Away up on that gallant yard and take the gasoline.
Way, hey, hey, I roll and go.
Away up on that gallant yard and take the gasoline.
For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go?
You're bound away to Kingston Town, that's where you're bound to go.
Way, hey, hey, I roll and go.
You're bound away to Kingston Town, that's where you're bound to go.
For I'm a young sailor boy, and where am I to go?
Now you're ready to sail for the Horn. Way, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes, boys, are all in the Horn. We're rollicking dandy, dandy, oh. Heave a pole, heave away. Way, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stored. We're rollicking dandy, dandy, oh. Soon we'll be warping her out through the locks. Way, hey, roll and go. Where the pretty young girls all come down in their frocks. To be rollicking dandy, dandy, oh. Heave a pole, heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stored. To be rollicking dandy, dandy, oh. Come breast the bars, bullies, heave her away. Way, hey, roll down through the bay. To be rollicking dandy, dandy, oh. Heave a pole, heave away, way, hey, hold it and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all sore. To be rollicking dandy, dandy, oh.
Did you ever see a wild goose sailing o'er the ocean? And so, way. They're just like them pretty girls when they gets the notion. And so, way. The other morning I was walking by the river, and so, way. When I saw a young girl walking with her topsails all a-quiver, and so, way. I said, pretty fair maid, and how are you this morning? And so, way. She said, none the better for the seeing of you. And so, way. Did you ever see a wild goose sailing o'er the ocean? And so, way. They're just like them pretty girls when they get the notion. And so, way. We'll pay Paddy Doyle for his boots. We'll all drink brandy and gin. We'll all shave under the chin. We'll all throw muck at the cook. The dirty old man's on the poop. We'll bowser up and be done. We'll pay Paddy Doyle for his boots.
Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Way, bully in the alley. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Bully down in Shinbo now. Sally is the girl that I love dearly. Way, bully in the alley. Sally is the girl that I spliced nearly. Bully down in Shinbo now. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Way, bully in the alley. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Bully down in Shinbo now. For 7 long years I courted little Sally. Way, bully in the alley. All she did was dilly and dally. Bully down in Shinbo now. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Way, bully in the alley. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Bully down in Shinbo now. If I ever get back, I'll marry little Sally. Way, bully in the alley. Have 6 kids and live in Shinbo Alley. Bully down in Shinbo now. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Way, bully in the alley. Help me, Bob, I'm bully in the alley. Bully down in Shinbo now.
Hey! We'll heave him up and away we'll go.
Wavy Susiana,
We'll heave him up and away we'll go.
we're all bound over the mountain.
We'll heave him up from down below.
Wavy Susiana,
for that is where the cocks do crow.
We're all bound over the mountain.
And if we drown while we are young,
Wavy Susiana.
it's better to drown than to wait to be hung.
We're all bound over the mountain.
Oh, growl ye may, but go ye must.
Wavy Susiana.
If you growl too hard, your head they'll bust.
We're all bound over the mountain.
Up socks, you cocks, and her 2 blocks.
Wavy Susiana.
And go below to your old ditty box.
We're all bound over the mountain.
Oh, rock and shake one more drag.
Wavy Susiana.
Oh, bend your duds and pack your bag.
We're all bound over the mountain.
Hey boys, oh, as I was going to Derby, 'twas on a market day, I met the finest ram, sir, that ever was fed up all day.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
This ram and I got drunk, sir, as drunk could be. And when we sobered up, sir, we were far away out at sea.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
This wonderful old ram, sir, was playful as a kid. It swallowed the captain's spyglass along with the bosom's fid.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
The night was very rough, sir, the wind like ice did feel. He borrowed me suit of oilskins and taught me trick at the wheel.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
He climbed aloft so full of him to stow the topsails tight. But halfway up he lost his nerve, he had an awful fright.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
One morning on the poop, sir, afore 8 bells was struck, he climbed up to the sky's yard and sat down on the truck.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
Ah, this wonderful old ram, sir, he tried a silly trick. He tried to jump the 5 buffets and landed in a rick.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
This wonderful old ram, sir, it grew 2 horns of brass. One grew out of his shoulder blade, the other turned into a mast.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
The crew of the good ship Jack Tar is handsome, strong and brave. The finest crowd of sailors that ever sailed over the waves.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, lie, lie.
In Amsterdam there lived a maid, mark well what I do say. In Amsterdam there lives a maid, and she was mistress of her trade. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. A-roving, since roving's been my ruin. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. I asked this maid to take a walk, mark well what I do say. I asked this maid out for a walk, that we might have some private talk. I go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. A-roving, since roving's been my ruin. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. Then a great big Dutchman rammed my bow, mark well what I do say. For a great big Dutchman rammed my bow and said, young man, this is mine Frau. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. A-roving, since roving's been my ruin. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. Then take fair warning, boys, from me, mark well what I do say. So take a warning, boys, from me, with other men's wives don't make too free. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid. A-roving, since roving's been my ruin. I'll go no more a-roving with you, fair maid.